I was just editing up the next video and I noticed the camera. There's a rattly noise in the microphone somewhere. Something's loose in this camera and it's just getting worse. So I apologise for that in the next video, and I'm going to take this camera back and get it repaired or replaced because yeah, it's just getting worse. I don't know if you can hear it when I wobble it a bit, or I'm trying to hold it perfectly still now. Don't know if it's doing it now, but yeah. Oh, see what happens. I'm going to just try a video of something looking down on the bench, because normally that's when it happens. So we'll see what happens now. Yeah, just playing with this. It seems when the camera's tilting downwards, it rattles more. Don't know what it does pointing up.